Hello YouTubers, I'm creating this video to help people understand how BlueJeans work. It's quite simple. Honestly, it'll take you only 15 minutes or less to master this beautiful software. So this how-to video is going to focus on starting a personal meeting. Follow along if you have any questions, of course, comment, and then I'll reach out to you as soon as possible with a great solution. But honestly, this is straightforward. So once you open up the BlueJeans application, you're going to see this splash screen. Of course, you're going to have your name, but not mine. Okay? Hello, good evening. Right? I'm doing this in the evening time. And then you're going to have three different options. Join a meeting, start your personal meeting, and schedule a meeting. Like I mentioned, you're going to start a personal meeting. A personal meeting is basically telling your participant to actually come online and log in through the application, through their phone, through link whatsoever. Look, I need to have a meeting with you to show you something that's very important. For the production floor, something cool, something exciting, or probably saying happy birthday. But it's cool, right? So you're gonna click on start your personal meeting. Okay, so you're gonna see three different options, right? Send and receive, don't send, only receive, dialing with the phone, and send video. All right, so I'm gonna say send and receive, right? Send and receive is basically you're gonna see my picture in this corner. Of course, you don't see it because it's dark here. And click on join. Okay, now once you actually log in, right? You're gonna get greeted with this splash screen. You say, "Welcome back. It's good to see you. Feeling lonely? Start a conversation." This is where you would share the link with your crew for them to access your meeting, right? Also, you can invite via email through Outlook, through Google, and the list goes on. Okay. Once they log in, they will appear in this area. Right now, I'm not inviting anybody. I'm just giving you the steps. Okay. So this button right here, share screen, it is a very cool feature where if you're running PowerPoint or Excel, Internet Explorer, or Safari, the list goes on, right? It's going to show up. But remember what I said, it has to be open, right? So I have a few applications that's open. BlueJeans, Screencast-O-Matic, Google, Chrome, and Safari. Those are the things that's open currently. So this is going to show up on the list. If I open a PowerPoint, it's going to be there also. So this is how it works. So if you click on Google Chrome, then the participant only sees Google Chrome and nothing else. What if I click on Google Chrome and it's a minimized box? Can they see the background of my desktop? No. It'll turn sky blue, right? It blocks everything else. BlueJeans carefully crop out every single thing that should not be shared and focus on what you wanted the participant to see. Okay, so that's how it works. They did a beautiful job on that. Kudos for them. Okay, so let's X that out. So if you are sharing, right? I click on this, it'll turn red. If I unclick on it, it turns blue. All right. So if you're sharing, it's gonna be something red there. Let me warn you, right? If you don't press the correct thing whatsoever and say desktop is showing and you have text going on, they can see it. So you have to stay focused and know how you use the system. So really test it out on your spare time before you make a live meeting. But again, it's easy, right? So let's X this out. Okay, so right here, it's going to tell me how many people actually joined the meeting, right? Because it's only me, so it's only one. So if you invite about 50 people, of course it's going to say 50, right? So this application supports 25 users to 100 users, depending on what package you purchase. You can go higher. The higher the package, of course, the package becomes pricier. But I'm not throwing a sales pitch. You reach out to them to get the best deal possible. Okay? This icon right here is sharing options. What are you sharing? You're only sharing videos. Okay? Now, if you plan to show videos on your presentation, I strongly recommend you upload the videos before you send the invite. Okay? You could do it through the web application, you know what I mean, through the browser, or you could do it through here. If you upload it through the application, they will hear sound. But let's assume you wanted to push a YouTube video, right? And you share it this way. They will not hear sound. It's not going to work that way. You only could upload it. I guess it's a piracy thing whatsoever to avoid any problems. But understand, we want to show something like YouTube and something like that, and you share it this way, no sound. You have to upload it here for them to hear sound. Okay? So let's assume I push one of these videos for my participant to watch and listen to, right? So the layout is going to be right here. It says you will be muted, hold spacebar to talk. It will continue playing if I decide to press the spacebar, but that's on you. Okay? So right here, you're changing the size. Okay? So if I play,
there you are, Sean.
Yes, Mr. Hillhurst.
change the size
Client should be on in 2 minutes. You ready?
of your
Yes,
preference.
sir.
I like this, and you better hope our friends in Japan say yes.
Okay? It's straightforward. I love it.
Mr. Hillhurst, I have a...
So you can exit out. You can press spacebar and talk on top of the video, but it won't pause. That's your call. So this icon right here is you chat with people. Chat with people that is in your meeting. You're not gonna if you're the moderator, you're not gonna ask people questions in this chat area. You'll let the people who's shy, that don't want to talk in public, to type on the side, and you say, oh well, Julie asks me the following question, and it was a great question. Blah 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 blah. Right? That's what the chat feature is for. Okay? The next thing is, if you plan to leave the meeting, but you gave someone else the moderator capability, that could be on a different video. Alright? But that's what it's for. Okay? For other participant, they could do the same thing. They could leave the meeting too. Right? You could record your entire meeting. So once you record a video, record the entire meeting, you can make it public or keep it for yourself, and you can also download the video to your desktop and maybe push it on a source or SharePoint to share among with your team. That's off of BlueJeans network. Okay? This is for inviting more people that you didn't email the invite to. So say if I did Jack, Julie, and Tony, but I forgot to reach out to Bob. I'll click on that, put Bob's email, he gets the link, he able to jump in. This is the options that I think is very important. I don't like hearing noise when people come in. Mute participant on entry. Think about it. Don't you want that muted? This is part 1.